Alright, so I made this BT21 BTS headband with all the little characters. There's 8 of them. So you're gonna need all of the characters, like whether it's from like a hair tie or a hairpin, or I also got these like magnets for the ones I couldn't find the hair ties for. And Van was the only one that I couldn't find like the mini characters for, so I just got the Van headband. We're gonna need a sewing needle and some thread, and then also scissors to cut one of Van's head off. And I'm just getting some black thread and a sewing needle, and we're just gonna sew through So I'm just placing all of the little characters right now and seeing the placement that I want for the headband. So now we're gonna sew, and I'm starting off with Tata. I'm just sewing through the little fabric on the headband and then into the bottom of the head of the character. And that's what it looks like. You can cut off the little threads once you're done. But yeah, that's the first part done with Tata. And then I attached RJ, and now I'm showing you me attaching Koya right now. It's kind of hard to go through the fabric of the headband, but just keep doing it, and the more times you go through it, the more secure it'll be. I just did it a couple of times. Just go by how like tough it'll feel. And then for Koya and some of the other ones was the headband, so I just cut off the band part. And then I attached all of them, so yeah. It's the finished product, and I really like it. You can look like a crazy person like me, but it's so pretty. I love it.